Someone told me that the thing on my right that is so close to me is gonna make me famous. I was just doing it like this, watching the video. Then I saw my little pillow. A pillow? Are you kidding me? This is what I think to the pillow. Make me famous, you dumb pillow! Make me famous! Please! Make me famous! Make me famous, you dumb pillow! Whoa. Yeah. I'm famous.